Good morning, students. In the last class, I have explained land, land use in selected countries, and common property resources. Today, I shall do conservation of land resources and soil. So, let's start. So, conservation of land resources. So, what is conservation of land resource? The availability of land is limited, but the demand for land by the people is growing. Due to cultural changes in our society, there are vast changes in the land use pattern. Extensive use of fertile land without careful utilizations can lead to the barrenness of the land. The overexploitation of mineral resources can make the soil vulnerable to degradation. And again, due to expansion of agriculture and construction activities, the major threats to the environment are land degradation. So, land degradation can be caused by number 1, deforestation. So, deforestation means cutting down trees and clearing forests for construction or other use. So, next is overgrazing and excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, rainwash and flood. So, next, the cause of land degradation is desertification. It is caused due to removal of natural vegetation and trees. And the next cause of land degradation is landslides. So, what is landslide? Landslides is when rock, debris, or loose earth move down a slope in a huge mass and often take place along with earthquakes, floods and volcanoes. Now, let us see mitigation mechanism of landslides. So, advancement in scientific techniques has empowered us to understand what factors cause landslides and how to manage them. Some broad mitigation techniques of landslides are as follows. So, hazard mapping to locate areas prone to landslides. Hence, such areas can be avoided for building settlements. Next is construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping. And the next is increase in the vegetation cover is an effective way to arrest landslides. And the next is the surface drainage control works to control the movement of landslides along with rainwater and spring follows. So, the above are the cause of land degradation, and the present rate of degradation can be check by number 1, afforestation. So what is afforestation? Afforestation means planting more trees can help restore the forest cover. This process is known as afforestation. And the next is land reclamation. So, what is land reclamation? It is another method of land conservation for farmers. It is the process of creating new land from ocean riverbeds or lake beds. Next is the regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers and checks on our grazing. The government can play an important and active role in preserving the soil and land by making rules related to soil and land conservation, making the farmers educated regarding the negative aspects of overutilizations of fertilizers and overgrazing. So students, these are some of the common methods used to conserve land resources. So, next we'll move to the soil. So, soil, what is soil? Soil is the thin layer of coarse and rough substance covering the earth's surface. It is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks. Soil profile refers to the layered structure which spreads from the parent rock to the top soil surface. So let us see this soil profile. The 4 layers of soil profile are: the first layer is the topsoil with humus and vegetation. The second layer is the subsoil with sand, silt and clay. The third layer comprises of weathered rock material. Rock, as a result of the breakdown and decay due to changes in temperature, frost and action of living organisms, get weathered. It is a very slow process and is called weathering. And during this weathering, rock debris get mixed with organic matter and minerals, thus increasing the fertility of the soil. Now next layer is the fourth layer is the parent rock. The thickness of the soil profile is affected by the time taken for the soil to form. Older soil has a thicker soil profile compared to the new soil. And as Steep soil slopes are more prone to soil erosion. The layer of soil on them is generally thin, whereas flat areas have a thick layer of soil as they retain the layers of soil for longer periods. This type of soil found in India include alluvial, black, red, laterite, desert and montane. So, students, this is all for today. Hope my explanation will be helpful for you all. In my next class, we'll do factors of soil formation. So, here I conclude. Thank you.